All right, BMW R18 2021 transcontinental rear tire change. You have one side removed, you have to remove the other. So now I read in a different book to remove the brakes and the sensor and let that dangle, and then pull the axle, and then you can remove it. So I have to go remove the exhaust on the other side. So once again, 2 screws for the cover, 13mm bolt to remove the exhaust clamp, and then I'll try and record this time how to get it to slide off. Alright, I'll see if I can record it this time. All I did is put the channel locks like that and squeeze. And I need both hands up, but you can see it started to move. And then you might need to do it on the other one, up under the bag, and a little wiggle, and she'll come loose. I've removed the exhaust, and you can get at this under the bag. But here's a special tool, not super special, but my Allen wrenches only go up to 10mm, and this is 12. So I don't think you're going to get this done on the roadside. I do have to take this stuff off on the other side. We'll go do that next. Okay, so here's your next hurdle. This takes an E. It takes an E14. But it won't fit on the top because of the saddlebag is in the way. Now, this probably isn't right, but an 11mm wrench fits on it rather well. So, all is not lost. I'll take these out. I gotta take the sensor loose before I take the other bolt out. So, let me work on the sensor, and if I have any problems, I'll talk about it. Okay, so you can pull the axle out. Everything will stay in place. You can let the little spacer dangle. I'll take that top bolt out of the brake caliper and move that out of the way. Then, we'll see if this big pig will come out of here with any problems. Okay, now I'll try and fetch this thing out of here. Hopefully it won't be very eventful. So not the easiest thing to do, but if you got the right tools, it's possible. 10,000 miles, and she started leaking, so I gotta find where the leak is, but I got new tires coming anyway, so who is due? She due. All right, when we get the new tires, we'll change them and put them back in. There it is, we found it. Blue screw. Wonder where that's from.